Hey friend, what if I told you this? I replace my entire admin team with Agentic AI. My solopreneur agency still makes 50K a month. It sounds crazy, right? Well, it happened. Those endless manual tasks drained me before. Phew, steps I took. You can copy them in your business. We cut costs by 40%. We also saved 12 hours weekly. Honestly, the results surprised me. No hype, just the facts. Let us start with the problem. Most owners drown in admin work. You know how it feels. Emails pile up fast. Invoices stay unpaid. Reports take forever to finish. It hurts your profits badly. So, I built a multi-agent system. The agents work together like a real team. Now, a quick thought. These agents have one small limitation. One thing to consider is they need good prompts. Start small to avoid frustration. It pays off big later. Step 1 is choosing the brain. I selected Claude from Anthropic. Their managed agents lead the market now. Wow, the performance blew me away. Go to anthropic.com, sign up for a free account, link your Gmail and CRM tools. It takes about 10 minutes tops. Step 2 creates your first agent. I built an email triage agent. It reads all incoming messages. Then it sorts them by urgency. Here's the simple prompt I used. Tell it to spot client requests, flag hot sales leads, and auto-reply to routine questions. The agent works around the clock. Great! It caught details I missed. This step alone saved me 4 hours a week. Your clients get faster replies too. Step 3 handles invoicing next. I set up a billing agent. It pulls data from Stripe. Then it sends friendly reminders. One thing to consider is defining your terms up front. It prevents any silly mistakes. It feels magical. Late payments dropped by half for me. Phew, what a huge relief. So far, these steps cover the basics. You see the pattern clearly. Agents take over the boring stuff. You focus on high-value growth instead. Try the first step today. See the immediate difference yourself. Wow, it feels liberating. Step 4, build your sales agent. It qualifies every new lead fast. I connected it to my website forms. The agent asks smart questions. Then it squares them on the spot. Great, it flags the hot ones for me. This step alone closed deals quicker. You save 3 more hours every week. Now, a quick thought. Agents sometimes miss tone in messages. One thing to consider is double-checking the first 10. It gets smarter with your feedback. Step 5 ties everything together. I use Crew AI as the no-code glue. It lets agents hand off tasks smoothly. The email agent passes leads to sales. Then billing picks up after the close. Whoa, the team works like clockwork. Sign up at crew.ai. It takes 15 minutes to connect. One thing to consider is starting with 2 agents only. Too many at once feels overwhelming. Whew, I learned that the hard way. Let us talk real numbers now. My agency hit 50K monthly. The agents replaced 2 full-time admins. We cut costs by 40%. 12 hours freed up each week. Honestly, my profit jumped right away. I used to chase invoices myself. Now the system reminds clients gently. Late payments dropped by half. Your business can do the exact same. These steps scale with you. No tech degree required at all. You focus on strategy and growth instead. The agents handle the rest. Believe it or not, it feels freeing. So far, you have the full setup. Next, I'll share the exact prompts. They made everything click for me. All right, so we are almost done. Step 6 as your reporting agent. It pulls data from all tools. The agent creates weekly summaries. It spots trends you might miss. Wow, this one surprised me most. It shows profit leaks clearly. You fix them before they grow. Honestly, it boosted my numbers fast. Here are the exact prompts. Copy them exactly for best results. For email triage, use this. Review every new email. Sort by urgency and type. Flag client questions. Auto reply to FAQs. Escalate sales leads only. I use this prompt daily. It saved me 4 hours weekly. Your inbox stays clean and organized. For the sales agent next, qualify incoming leads. Ask 3 smart discovery questions. Score them 1 to 10. Schedule calls with hot ones. Phew, it works like magic. This agent closed extra deals for me. Now, a quick thought. These prompts need tweaking over time. One thing to consider is testing weekly. Your results improve fast. For invoicing, the prompt is simple. Check Stripe for due payments. Send polite reminders on day 3. Update status in your CRM. Great, late payments vanished. The Crew AI orchestration prompt, act as team coordinator. Route tasks between agents smoothly. Manual work used to kill me. Now everything flows automatically. My agency still hits 50K monthly. The agents replaced 2 admins fully. Costs dropped 40%. 12 hours saved every single week. Honestly, the freedom feels unreal. You can build this in 1 afternoon. No coding needed at all. Let me show you the monitoring trick. Set up a weekly review agent. It emails you a 1-page report. This report highlights key metrics. You stay on top of everything. One thing to consider is human oversight. Agents are smart, but not perfect. Double-check big decisions always. That keeps everything safe. Your business grows without the stress. Try these steps this week. You will see the difference immediately. Phew, what a game changer. Believe it or not, you can do this too. Your solopreneur agency will thank you. Now, to make it even better, add one final tip. Review agent outputs every Friday. Adjust prompts based on what worked. This small habit maximizes your savings. Costs stay low and profits rise. Wow, the whole system pays for itself. I wonder why I waited so long. You know the feeling, right? Anyway, you have the full breakdown now. If you want my free Agentic AI prompts and templates with all the prompts and templates, just comment AI business below and I'll send it straight to you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to BergTube, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next practical AI strategy for your business. Thanks for watching. Keep building smarter.